Hello, good morning. Thanks for stopping by. If you are here for the first time, you are most welcomed. I'm StellaC Star Baby. Thank you for coming by. Okay, what we offer here is plant-sweet apple sourced stem cell nutrition, clinical formulated through Phytoscience, in addressing all sorts of degenerative health challenges at low cost and effective. Marketing plan. 11 ways of earning. 1. Direct sponsor bonus at 13.5% to 45%. Instant. 2. Roll-up bonus. Instant. 3. Matching direct sponsor bonus up to 10 level at 25% monthly. 4th, key-in bonus 3%. Platinum members only. Daily pay. 5th, pearling bonus or development bonus daily. 6th, matching pearling 2 bonus up to 10th level, 25% monthly. 7. Reorder products 45%. Direct sponsor at first level. Instant. 8. Matching reorder bonus up to 10th level at 25% monthly. 9. Loyal leadership bonus at 3% every 6 months. 10. Loyal maintenance 2 bonus, optional, instant. 11. Retail bonus, instant. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for following my page, sharing and liking my page. You will not regret it. Always share. Someone in your account might be favored with this share for investing in on his or her health and make wealth. Okay, it's always good to give. When you give, always also teach the person how to fish that fish. So when the one you give the person finish, he or she will be able to continue without waiting. If you did not come, hunger will kill the person. Okay, here is all about health. As I told us, all about health. Plant-sweet apple, sourced stem cell nutrition. All right, here is our IIQ Plus for eye and brain to protect the eye cells and the brain cells from damage. All right, from damage due to our gadgets, our television, often open to children. It is also best for children and adults. As we press our phone always, we protect our eye against the rays and under sun. Okay, this is our Actual Plus for immune boost. All right, see it's Phytoscience for immune boost. Both for people with chronic, people recovering from sickness, HIV, hepatitis, any ailment at all, even fertility, you want to boost your immune, you go ahead. For our children, go ahead. And 3 drops, 5 drops 3 times a day. Then for recovering or for treating diabetes, you have 10 drops 3 times a day. Do well to hit my button, inbox me or DM me +234 8060600476 +234 8060600476, and I will deliver to your doorstep. We will be nationwide. This is our water moisturizer for skin. People having problem with sunburn, it protects your skin. All right, this is the video. Thanks for stopping by. Love you, folks.